Here I have HTC U23 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter FastBoot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after it turns off completely, what you'll have to do is to get yourself a USB cable. From one side connected to computer, from other side we connect it to our device. So what you do is you take it, hold down volume up, and while you hold it, connect USB. And let's get it. So like you hold it until some kind of Android robot appears on your screen and no command message under it, till now I mean. When you see this screen, hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option enter FastBoot. And after that you will end up in a FastBoot mode. So here at the FastBoot, just like in the previous mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, enter recovery, reboot to bootloader, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot system now and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.